Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jesse Hawila. Thanks for joining us here on WFAA Plus. Today was a normally hot day. I say that because the normal high is 96. That was the high today, 96. The low this morning was 75. The record, 110, set back in 1980. We have not hit 100 degrees yet. We are running far behind. The normal is July 1st. I'll have more information on that in just a second. 91 degrees, the temperature now, DFW. Dew points have dropped a little bit. That's the measure of moisture in the air, so it doesn't feel much hotter than the 91. In fact, it feels like 91 when you factor in the humidity. Winds out of the south at 14 miles per hour. So again, another day where we did not hit 100 degrees. Let's talk perspective. Student meteorologist Biagio Cucco has an update. Biagio.
Yeah, guys, so we haven't reached a 100-degree day yet, but as we will show you guys later in the 14-day forecast, I think it's coming up. But so far, 13 days have been below the normal. 3 of them been about what they're supposed to be. 2 of them above the average. So definitely a cooler type of weather or summer that we've had so far in July. And honestly, that's been because of the heavy cloud cover we've had in North Texas and the frequent showers that we've been seeing. Our average first 100-degree day is supposed to be July 1st. It's July 18th today. So we're definitely behind schedule, as Jesse was saying. We've only had 2 years without 100-degree days, and we're supposed to have 5 of those by now to date. So more cool fun facts for you guys. 38 years that we've had to July 18th have been no 100-degree days, 30% of the record. 18 of those years have gone through the end of July without a 100-degree day. And the last time that we've seen a 100-degree day without a 100-degree day was in 2021 to July 18th. And the last time we haven't seen a 100-degree day was in 2007 through the end of July. So, Jesse, we haven't seen one yet, but I think I do see one coming up later in the forecast.
Yeah, I think the time is out. The time is up for the comfortable summer so far. Biagio, that's our student meteorologist from A&M doing the weather. Very nice. So, yes, as he said, we do have triple digits in the forecast. Right now, no extreme heat, so no 105s to 110s, but I do suspect we're going to start getting very hot here in North Texas as the real summertime pattern starts to take hold. As we look at satellite and radar, well, what's left, there's not much. We had this little tropical disturbance that was kind of hugging the Gulf Coast over the last week or so. It finally moved inland. It never had an opportunity to become a tropical depression or a tropical storm. Dexter would have been the next name. It just didn't have enough time over at least the center part of it, didn't have enough time over the wide open Gulf waters. So now we're just seeing lingering rain in parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. It's throwing a little bit of cloud cover in our direction, and it's staying mainly in East Texas. Couple little showers toward Palestine and Jacksonville. Those have all fallen apart. And as we go through the rest of tonight, we're going to be quiet. We have no rain in the forecast this weekend, minus a sprinkle down toward Waco. That's it. There's something to note, though. If you look at the cloud cover here on Timecast, kind of along and south of I-20, that's where the clouds will be a little bit more numerous. That'll keep temperatures down by a few degrees, not a lot, but north of I-20 will certainly be much hotter. So if you take a look at the heat index values for tomorrow afternoon, 100 to 104, kind of along and north of I-20. You go south, the heat index 95 to 99. So areas like Granbury, Waxahachie, Corsicana, Hillsborough, Athens, Canton will be in the upper 90s for heat index values, while areas north of I-20 will certainly be in the triple digits. Now, next 5 days, still no 100-degree high temperatures yet, but it will feel like it. We'll have heat index values anywhere from 102 to 104 over the next 5 days, with high temperatures running pretty close to the norm, and 96 degrees the normal. We'll be anywhere from 96 to 98 degrees over the next 5 days as that true summertime pattern finally builds in here. It's been a while. We're running late. Our normal, like Biagio said, our normal first triple-digit day, somewhere around July 1st. We've yet to see it. We do have it in the 14-day forecast as the long-range pattern through the rest of the week. Big high pressure builds in. That means we stay mainly dry, so rain chances are slim as we go through the next 2 weeks. They're not zero. We'll have a couple chances for a spotty shower or storm, but we'll have lots of heat build back into the area. So long gone are those days with highs in the 80s. It was a nice July while it lasted. Now it's getting back to the norm here. 77 degrees tonight. Warm and muggy with light winds. Tomorrow's just a 96-degree day, which is the norm. Hot and humid, breezy at times. Heat index up to 103 for DFW. A little breezy tomorrow. Every so often we'll have a breeze of 15, 20 mile per hour gust. So that's a little bit different than we've seen over the last couple of days. Same thing on Sunday, 97, 98 on Monday. Then it's into the upper 90s. By Thursday, Friday, we're talking close to 100 degrees a couple of days. There's a slim chance for a shower or storm on Friday, July 25th. Beyond that, you see the triple digits in there. We may add 1 or 2 as we get closer to the end of July here, but right now it looks like we'll stay in the upper 90s, very close to 100. But again, no extreme heat. I don't see 105s to 110s yet, but August is just around the corner. In fact, the first day of August is the very last day of the 14-day forecast. Thanks for joining us here on WFAA Plus. Enjoy the rest of your Friday night and have a good weekend.